Namaskar, Jai Maharashtra Mandali. Hello to all the beautiful souls out there. I am Sejal Kishore Mahajan and I welcome you to my Empyrean, the Sejal's Empyrean.
वो शामें सुरों की, वो सहजल की सरगम, समंदर की बाहों में लहरों के आलम, वो सूरज के ढकने से पहले का मंजर, वो बादल का चलना निगाहों से छुपकर, वो शामें सुरों की, वो सहजल की सरगम.
So you might be thinking what is mean by Empyrean. So Empyrean का मतलब होता है the highest heaven, वो सबसे ऊपर वाला आसमान जहाँ सब कुछ बहुत शांत, पीसफुल और सुंदर होता है. और यही मेरा सपना है, अपनी लाइफ को उस लेवल तक लेके जाना है जहाँ सब कुछ अपने बेस्ट फॉर्म में हो. So I'm just a girl among you all with too many dreams and too much ambitions and a heart that refuses to settle for less. So I have spent years of watching others live their story. लोगों को देखा है content creation journey start करते हुए. They have did a great job. I always cheered for them and somewhere I whispered कि someday I'll start mine. And I always waited for that someday कि कभी सब कुछ perfect होगा and I'll start. And until I realized that someday never actually comes. We have to bring that someday, and today is that D day for me. So today, not as an content creator, not as a wannabe influencer, but as a human being who just decided to stop existing quietly and start living loudly. I'm starting this my content creation journey, and you guys are officially part of it. So I'm not here to impress, I'm here to express. मैं अपनी खुद की journey start करने आई हूँ, to learn, to evolve as a human being, to grow, to glow, to maybe fall hundred of times and just rise again and again and again and celebrate every like tiniest of my success maybe, and just to give this a honest and good start to grow as in this journey, because the truth is I'm not perfect. I overthink. I feel failure. I'm still scared of negative comments. And I get anxious. And yes, I still worry about लोग क्या कहेंगे. But you know what? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. लोगों का काम है कहना. We have been grown up hearing this. But कभी से जीकर देखा है. Like it's such a simple yet impactful line. It's so powerful to block every negative energy that tries to dim your light, that tries to hold anyone back who is hustling to achieve their dreams. So take a moment and ask yourself, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? We are not doing anything wrong. We are just choosing ourselves. And we know that anyway people are going to talk. So why not give them something interesting and worth to talk about? You know what's funny? Because बहुत सालों तक मैं ऐसे सोचती थी कि मेरे सपने बहुत बड़े हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा. एक छोटे शहर की लड़की जो चंद्रपुर से आती है, उसके लिए बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक है. एंड दिस इज टू मच टू ड्रीम अबाउट, टू अनरियलिस्टिक फॉर समवन हु हैजंट फिगर्ड आउट about her life yet. But I have stopped underestimating myself and my dreams, because now when I close my eyes, I see myself retiring my father, putting a final full stop to all his hard work, struggles and sacrifices he had made throughout his life. मेरी मम्मी को उनके सपनों का घर देते हुए नजर आती हूँ मैं, giving her all the luxuries she deserved, like rightly deserved. And I see myself dancing in my sister's wedding बहुत धूम धड़ाके से, like a grand wedding, because she is the eldest among us cousins and नए generation की पहली शादी होगी हर शादी. So बहुत धूम धड़ाके से वो शादी कराते हुए I see myself. I want to fulfill every dream my family even whispered about. I see myself growing spiritually, visiting and meeting Premanandji Maharaj, visiting Kechi Dham, Vrindavan, Mathura, Ayodhya, and all the spiritual places our history has blessed us with. I see myself owning my dream house in the poshest areas of Pune. I see myself driving my own Beast, my dream car. I see myself travel across the world with my family to explore, evolve, and learn so many things. I see myself meeting my superstar. Like, I'm die-hard fan of Salman Khan, so I see myself meeting him, even a glimpse of him, and khatam. I see myself collaborate with the biggest stars of the country, attending the craziest events I have ever dreamed of. All the paparazzis, lights, cameras everywhere. I see myself make my debut on TRS, Raj Shamani's podcast, and obviously, I see myself build my community of millions and billions of souls I have connected through this platform on YouTube. And most importantly, I see myself become the woman my younger self has always dreamed of becoming. Now I know some of you behind the screen might be smiling right now by thinking, ये सब सपने हैं और इतने अनरियलिस्टिक. बट यू नो व्हाट, तभी मेरे जहन में एक बात आती है जब जाकिर खान कहते हैं कि कभी कभी ना बड़ी बात बोल देनी चाहिए. क्या पता ऊपर वाला सुन रहा हो और कह दे तथास्तु. आई नो प्रैक्टिकलिटी इज ऑलवेज इन द सीन, बट वाई टू लिमिट आवर ड्रीम्स. जब ऊपर वाला छप्पर फाड़ के देने के लिए तैयार हो तो अपने सपनों को क्यों छोटा करे यार. जब हम उस सपनों को हासिल करने के लिए पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, शिद्दत से लगे रहे और वी आर ड्रीमिंग अनरियलिस्टिकली और मेहनत भी कर रहे हैं, और अगर ऊपर वाला छप्पर फाड़ के देने के लिए तैयार भी हो, सो ड्रीम्स को क्यों छोटे करो यार. सो ड्रीम विद ओपन आईज. खुली आंखों से सपने देखो, हसल विद प्योर इंटेंशंस, पूरी मेहनत लगा दो उसको हासिल करने में. एंड व्हेन it's finally the time when he is blessing you, receive all the blessings with an open heart. Here don't expect one niche, because honestly speaking मैंने अब तक अपना niche figure out नहीं किया है, and even I'll be exploring that through this journey. So for now the niche is me, the Sejal Kishore Mahajan. Sometimes you will see me vibing on trend, sometimes you will see me give some motivation, sometimes you will see a buddy sister vibes, sometimes chaotic, sometimes giving you some genuine reviews on products and giving you some hauls, some story times, kind of vlogs, some masti dhamal. So there is lot to come, and even maybe my fat to fit journey, because उसके पीछे मैं पड़ी हूँ बहुत सालों से. बट हाँ, अगर मेरे से थोड़ी भी डाइट हो जाए और अगर मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाए, सो इवन दैट यू विल बी हियर टू विटनेस. सो इवन दैट, बट वॉट एवर इट इज, आई कैन अश्योर यू वन थिंग, इट विल नेवर बी बोरिंग. मुझ में ह्यूमर ज़्यादा है नहीं और ज़बरदस्ती का मैं लाऊंगी नहीं. सो इट्स समटाइम्स फनी, समटाइम्स सीरियस, बट ऑलवेज रियल. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोना कम, but I can assure you that it's gonna be magical and serene. No, there's something that keeps the world running, that binds us all together, जो आपको मुझको एक दूसरे से बांधे रखता है. And वो आपके पास भी मेरे पास भी. The whole world, it is in abundance, like it's in lot. शायद वो चीज़ ना हो तो पृथ्वी पूरी खत्म हो जाए, और जो है लाइक वो ऐसी चीज़ है जो बांटने से बढ़ती है. And nothing else. That is love. That is pyar. Te hai prem. So please shower some of your love that you hold, that you have in your heart, and it's in abundance. So वो कम भी नहीं होगा और वो बांटने से बढ़ता है. So it will keep multiplying. So shower that love on me and my journey. Be a part of it. Witness my journey. Help me evolve, help me learn, help me grow on this channel, on this platform. Just subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and if you feel like कहीं तो कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, स्टार्ट हो रहा है, so please do motivate me by dropping a comment in the comment section and share this video with your friends, and please keep supporting me. Welcome to my journey, not an influencer story but the becoming of the Sejal Kishore Mahajan. This was Sejal for you all. You're watching the Sejal's Empyrean. Stay tuned for upcoming exciting videos, and stay infinite, stay divine, and keep rising in your own Empyrean. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and stay tuned. Toodles!